Hey everyone, so it's a new year, a new garden, and Rachel and I are going to show you around a little bit. Are you going to help us too? Yeah? Alright, we're going to show you around a little bit. So back in April, we planted our garden and we expanded, of course. Every year we're expanding.
Get a little bigger.
And here's a little montage video of that.
It's a new year, new season, new garden, everything's new. Let's go. That's all tomatoes. Tomato forest is what I call it. So these are vinca flowers. They're very pink, popular, pretty. These are zinnias.
That's a sunflower.
Yeah, but I'm pointing at these zinnias. This is Thai basil, this is purple basil, and this is holy basil.
What's the holy basil good for?
The holy basil is good for sickness and tea.
What's that?
It's a white marigold. They smell so good. These are bell peppers. You can eat them when they're green, but they're sweeter when they're red. They're not spicy peppers, they're just peppers. And back here's all ground cherries.
Are there any ready to eat?
Can you say ground cherry?
Ground cherry. It's a snacking pepper. It's almost ready, but not quite ready quite yet. This is our cat, Hunter.
Why is he named Hunter?
Because he hunts.
The garden's winding down for the season. End of July, everything starts to look kind of brittle and dry, but that's normal. I did a second round of green beans and they're just coming up and they'll give us another harvest. Tomatoes are dwindling down. Basil is in its prime stage right now, and peppers. Peppers, this is like their thriving season. Lots of jalapenos and serranos and banana peppers.
These are early girls.
Tomatoes? Looks like we're a little early to pick it.
This is our lemon cucumber plant. And it also has some regular cucumbers. So lemon cucumber. You can just bite it like an apple. Mom, can I eat a cucumber?
Anything else you wanted to say about your garden this year? Anything you learned?
Yeah, each year I just view the garden as a classroom, and every year I just learn something. Don't get discouraged. Start out small. My first garden looked like a jungle. But each year has gotten better, the design has gotten better. I plant more things that I know we like and enjoy and that I want to can. This year I experimented and planted a lemon cucumber. And while the cucumber is really cool looking, I didn't quite like the taste of it as much. It was really seedy. So now I know not to try it, but I'll probably still try something new next year. That's just the beauty of gardening and adventuring.
Thanks for watching.